Gentlemen, my fellow whites, let's raise a glass to this pyramid of money, the foundation of which was built upon our favorite pastime, fucking the poor!
Party's over, you pieces of shit! This is my money now, so back the fuck off!
Harley Quinn? I mean, you think we're afraid of the Joker's girlfriend?
So here's the deal. Are you gonna shut the fuck up so I can talk?
I need a lot of pain!
Oh, just give it a minute, you'll go into shock. Yeah, there it is. So, as I was saying...
You made a big mistake coming along. She's not exactly alone. She brought a +1. It's me! Joker, apologies, but your friend Rupert just couldn't face coming out here. I'm so sad. Where's my body?
What the fuck are you doing? You're not supposed to take his face off yet. I had this covered.
Yes, but I thought up that great +1 line, and then I'm not going to not puppeteer his face. All right, fine, do your thing.
So listen up, motherfuckers! You better jump in the harbor right now, or I'm gonna... God, you just did it again!
That's because I forgot I had the acid bomb.
But we agreed I'm the muscle. I do the hitting.
You know, you're great. You're great. You do your thing, I do my thing. You're the appetizer. I'm the entree.
I can't spend my whole life just bashing goons. When Gothamites hear the name Harley Quinn, I want them to piss themselves. I want a taste of that.
You want a taste of piss?
No, you know what I've meant. God, listen, Puddin' Cake, just see me in the Legion of Doom.
That is just... You don't want that. No, the Legion of Doom doesn't give memberships to sidekicks. You have to be...
Partners.
Oh, fuck me.
I want to be your partner in crime. For reals.
Can we talk about this later?
If not now, when?
I don't know. Tomorrow? I've kind of got my hands full right now. Joke's on you, Joker. Jesus, this guy.
You'll never take us alive, bats!
Love that fighting spirit, Harley. But in this fight, I'm afraid I have to take a dive.
Don't you mean we?
You know I'd love to take you, Puddin', but I'd never deny you the pleasure of buying me time to escape.
Hey, but what if I get sent to Arkham?
Then you won't spend even a single night. I'll break you out, my love. I swear. Or actually, I have something tonight, but I'll definitely get you out before breakfast. Love ya.
Oh, ain't he cute when he's escaping?
No.